Hey everybody, John Cebrowski here with AMAG Technology, coming at you with some of our new product lines. Hopefully we'll have a series of videos for you to watch over the next couple months, but what I wanted to showcase today was our new reader line. We call it Sentry, and what I really like about it is its ease of installation, its sleek look, and the fact that we also now have a mullion keypad offering. These can handle Bluetooth, NFC, low frequency, or high frequency, and it ships with all of that hardware. So you don't have to go and worry if, hey, I have low frequency cards right now, but eventually we're going to migrate to a high frequency option. You won't have to worry about replacing the readers again because you'll have the correct reader in place. You just have to go and activate that profile. One of the things that I want to talk about with ease of installation is we now have a few different options. Our Symmetry Blue reader, which is right here, this is its predecessor. If I pull this off and show you the back, it is tricky to get to those wires. If I need them out of my way, I don't really have that as a quick and easy option. However, with the new reader, there's a spot for a plug, which you're used to seeing. A basic terminal block, right? But the thing that I really like is that we now offer a quick and easy to attach pigtail option. So all you have to do, line it up with the pins, screw down your mounting hardware, try not to drop them. I'll pick that one up in a little bit. And then for ease of installation, in the past when you unscrew readers, you end up taking your screwdriver and scraping it all over the place with your hand along the wall or the brick or whatever is there, because the holes are set up straight. But these new readers, they actually are angled. I don't know if you can see it, but there's an angle in there, so that way when this is at the wall, your screwdriver can be tilted slightly and you're not going to worry about stripping the screw. And so I just can lightly push down on it, line it up, and as easy as that, we are set, we're installed. So another thing is the mounting plate is a lot different. This is a thin mounting plate from Symmetry Blue series. The Symmetry Sentry model has a much thicker back plate. It's also easier for these to attach and connect. So you'll see it's really, really sturdy, and it is on a nice thick piece of metal for that back plate. You can attach these to your single gang boxes as well if you need to. Obviously mullion will attach to a mullion, but they come in a set of varieties. You can have this as a keypad. You can have this without a keypad. So if that's something that you're interested in, reach out to your AMAG rep, ask them for some more info about our new readers.